Hi everyone, I am back to another video. So today I am going to discuss a very important topic. So please listen my video till the end. So today you will learn something new. So please listen that till the end. So today I am going to discuss. Our important topic is the time management. I think so you are understand because in the camera it is like reversible. So yes, the time management. What is time management? Time management is like when you're doing something work in a particular time. When you wake up, like you have a sorted time in a whole day, you have to do in a particular duration. So this is called time management. So I'm just giving you two examples. First is like some company give you some work, so you have to complete work in a particular time. There is a task are divided, so you have to do in a task. So this is one example. Second example is like in related to my field. So like when you constructed a new building, so that time you have to, like contractor give you the some duration, you have to building construct in a 1 year. So it is a time duration, you have to complete that in a subdivided, like you have to do some, you are some doing work and another person is doing some work and some laborers are doing some work. So it is a time management, you have to divide it work with a proper time. So yes, so I saw some people, they don't follow time management. So like there is my some friend when I was in a college, so that time, so some people have follow time management and some people is like casual, they don't care about time management. First they wake up, then breakfast, then after playing whole day, it is don't like time management. Yes, you are just doing the casual things, don't like this. So you have to do this. Time management is the most important thing in a life. So you have to go with the time management. When you don't have, you just wasting your time because you don't have a time management, you're just doing it casually. The important thing is you have to do with the passionate work and enjoy the moment. It is like time management in a particular time, what are you doing in a whole day. So I'm just giving you the two techniques, like this techniques I also apply that in my life. So I just giving you the suggestion. So it depends on you which thing you have to follow. So first thing is, so when you wake up you have to write, like before when you're going for the sleep, that time you have to write all things, like whole day what are you doing tomorrow, what are things you have to do. Like first you wake up, then you noted at 7 to 8, then after that you will go for the breakfast, and after that you will go for the self studies, then office work, particular time at that you have to write in a paper, like underline that I've done 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 10 to 11, 12 to 13, like this time you have to create the whole thing. After that, but when you are achieving the one by one, you have to tick that this paper you will brought yourself in any way. So yes, you have to do this. So first thing, second thing, in the end of the day, you see your list, you will just feeling freaking amazing. You will just happy because when you seeing that in a paper, so you will just happy you completed so many tasks in a whole day. It is called time management. I did that, but I failed in that because it is like some restricted point, you have to do that. So you have to create own selves, like you have to do particular time. When you're doing self study, you have to give proper time. So it is called time management, and also you have to enjoy the thing. When you don't enjoy the thing, so it is like it is not time management, you're just doing forcefully. You have to do this. You don't enjoy the process. The important thing is time management is you have to also enjoy the process. When you do that, you will just feeling freaking amazing. It is just do that. This is first thing I did that, and also I failed that, like after some days. So second thing is I did that, and right now I'm following that. When you wake up after 5 minutes, you have to think in a mind, like in the whole day what are you doing, like which thing you have to do, like one by one. You have to just like keep in a mind. Like first you wake up, after that brush, like doing brush, then after that take a bath, the breakfast, then after that you will go for the study, then after that attending college or office work, then after that you came home, then after that you have to do spend with your family time. After that you have to create this in the mind. After that you will do that in a tick in the mind. So you will just doing that in a like frictional way, like in mind way. So it is good. So you have to do in a mind, it is also good. Some people is like write in a paper, and some people is do that in a mind. So I will do that in a mind. So it is just amazing. In the end you will just remember the whole day what you did, then you will take in a mind. It is a good technique also. So this thing I follow that, so it is very amazing. So in the end you will like go sleepily, like very happy. So it is just amazing, you have to do this. So these two techniques I First is I follow that, but after some time I just feel that, and second technique I am just following that. It is just amazing. You have to do this. So it is a time management. It is the most beautiful thing. You have to follow that, and also the big entrepreneurs and big peoples and successful life peoples, they are just follow that time management. They have a time management in a particular time. When you see that the autobiography of a peoples, you will just see that they have a time restriction, like you have to do a work particular time, and also they are enjoying the process. That's why they become a successful. So it is a very important thing. So you have to do is time management is very important in life. So yes, I think so you learn something new. So you have to also follow like first technique and second technique. So thank you so much, and I will meet you in another video with the exciting topic. So I sure you will learn something new. So thank you for giving your valuable time. I will meet you in another video. So right now, till bye bye.
Lit. Roll up to the party, 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 roll up to the